I done downtown Florida, the Falcon caught his type of pigeon. I ain't never seen this before. Look, hold on, wait. I'm gonna zoom in. I ain't gonna scare his ass away. But I'm about to zoom in on this bitch. He got him a pigeon. Literally just caught him a pigeon. Damn, camera don't want to focus. Please focus today, please. Please, baby, do. Let me zoom out for a second. Can you see? Shit. That's a live pigeon. Let's see what he do.
Oh, I was tripping. That is a fucking problem.
Yeah, he caught a pigeon. He got a pigeon. So I ain't never seen
I thought you had a ray.
No, he got a pigeon.